Lifestyle tutorials. Actually, today I'm talking about how to resolve a PayPal dispute. The seller, offered some services to my client who is a buyer, and upon delivering some services to them, they went ahead to file a dispute. They kept asking a refund. The service that I was offering, I wrote them a blog article worth 3,000 words. Then I sent them an invoice. As you can see, we come here. You can see the invoice details. You can see it was a blog of literature review that was 3,000 words. Then apart from the 3,000 words, these were the terms and conditions. I clearly put, if you want to avoid scammers, ensure once you're doing an invoice, you'll be able to put notes and terms and conditions so that in case you go in a dispute, they'll not be able to they'll not win the dispute on their favor. So the terms and conditions was that the revision for the blog post is free. There is no refund, no chargeback. Then I said that any issue will be settled between the parties amicably. So it was a mutual agreement to post about 12,000 words to deliver 3,000 words, which was around 10 pages in 12 hours. I was able to do the same, but upon delivering to the client asked for a refund. As upon asking a refund, I had to file a dispute, I as the seller, telling PayPal to really look at the issue, since it is not very fair that we can see the transaction status is seen that it is cancelled. It is not fair that you deliver service to a client, then upon delivering to them they start giving excuses that you never delivered. So when we come here, the case is still we can view the case details. You can we've opened a case ID. In my description link, you will find a place where I've created a tutorial on how to open a paper, how to open how to send a client an invoice. If you are the seller and you really want to avoid being scammed, ensure you follow my tutorial one-on-one, step by step, how to be able to send the client relevant information so that they'll not be able to charge back or file a case against you. You can see the buyer reported the item that was not received as it was described. We place a hold on the transaction until the case is closed. The case was opened on 25 September. Then I sent them some information telling them that the note that I sent them, I told them to unauthorized refund. Client bullied me via phone call to refund invoice this. The company terms are very clear on no refund policy. We can see here in the invoice. We can see in the invoice there is a no refund policy. But what services that are provided is in case they have any issue, the company offers no refund service as indicated in the invoice, but the company will be willing to revise the blog post until it's fine tuning as indicated in the invoice. This let us read what was in that invoice. Yeah, well, let us download it. We'll be able to see it. So this is why it was the invoice that was sent to the client. It was a blog post worth a review that was 3,000 words. The revision is free. I had said the revision is free. I had the service that I was providing is that for the blog post I would revise it till it was fine tuned. But the client went ahead to ask a refund. They were asking a refund even before they had read the blog post that I posted. These are online scammers where you deliver service to them as a seller, and within a minute they are trying to charge back of their PayPal account. I'm sure I'll be winning the dispute since I've provided enough details. I've attached referring to the invoice. These invoices was on, or this is the official document. This was on official agreement. I sent them an invoice, and they were able to pay through the invoice. So them paying through the invoice means that they were able to follow my terms and conditions, where no chargeback, revision was free, and no refund. That was what I sent them. And the client, the buyer, went still had been trying to scam me through PayPal. I know the resolution center, PayPal, the case is still at PayPal resolution center. I know in a minute, in a few, they will be able to get back to me, and we'll be able to resolve on the issue. You can see this is the buyer reported the item was not received as described. In case it was not received as described, since it was a blog post worth 3,000 words, I had agreed to revise. I had agreed to revise the order until it is fine tuned. So that is a case I know I'll be solving. PayPal has told me that they will be looking at the case in 5 days time. So ensure you follow my tutorial on how to create an invoice. I have provided the details where we'll be able to respond. When this is what the buyer said on 25th September. They said please refund. They just wanted refund over no reason. They never brought in a revision back to me. So they tells me a refund. In case I need to solve this dispute on my side, since I'm the one who raised the buyer, who is my client, raised a dispute telling me to refund the cash. Whereas on my side, I had delivered the 3,000 blog posts to them. So this was unfair to me. So they bullied me via the phone call, and I clicked refund button. But after clicking the refund button, we apart from clicking the refund button, you always have an option in case you are on a dispute, you're on a PayPal dispute, you have an option to come and issue a refund. When I click the issue a refund, it means I will have closed this case. But for this case, I don't want until PayPal is able to resolve. The client told me to resolve. I have attached 3 documents. The first document is this invoice, also the official invoice. This is the official invoice. This was an official agreement that I'm talking about. So thank you for sticking with me, my YouTube channel. If you need a PayPal dispute solved or how to respond, ensure you get me via my official Gmail account, njogukarongo@gmail.com. In case you need to reach me out, view my newest videos, and you'll be able to see my WhatsApp or my Facebook or my Instagram contacts, where you'll contact me and talk to me directly. I'll be able to take you through. Bro, as long as you are legit, as long as you are royal. We don't want the essence of PayPal and Payoneer. All these online transaction methods are to make life better, to make online payments seamless. Thank you for sticking with me to my YouTube channel. Thank you.